Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful cartoon house using easy shapes and rainbow colors. Let's begin.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's draw the roof of the house. Now draw a small chimney on top. Great! Draw some straight lines on the roof. Now draw the walls under the roof. Nice and straight. Let's draw another small roof beside the main house. Draw the walls under it too. Draw a window on the small house wall. Good job! Now draw a big curved door on the main house. Looks lovely! Draw 2 windows on the big house. 1 and 2. Now, let's draw some grass on both sides of the house. Awesome! Nice job, everyone! Our house drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color. And peach color.
La da 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 dee.
Fantastic work, little artists! If you enjoyed drawing with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing video. Bye-bye!
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.